Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the American Express Platinum and Gold Card combo. This powerful duo is designed to maximize your rewards and benefits, especially if you frequently travel and dine out. We'll explore how these two cards complement each other, covering everything from travel perks to everyday spending categories. Understanding their combined potential can help you unlock substantial value and elevate your financial strategy. Let's dive into the specifics of each card. The American Express Platinum card is a premium travel card, offering 5 membership rewards points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel. You also earn 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels booked via Amex Travel. Card members can receive over $1,500 in annual statement credits, covering digital entertainment, Uber, and more. Plus, enjoy unparalleled access to a vast network of airport lounges, including the exclusive Centurion lounges, making your travel experience truly luxurious. Now, let's talk about the American Express Gold Card, a powerhouse for everyday spending. This card earns 4 membership rewards points per dollar at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 in eligible purchases per calendar year. You also get 4 points per dollar at restaurants worldwide. Additionally, receive up to $240 in annual dining and Uber cash credits, providing excellent value for your daily expenses. It's perfect for maximizing rewards on food-related spending. To maximize the American Express Platinum and Gold Card combo, use your Platinum card for all travel bookings, leveraging its 5 points per dollar on flights and hotels, along with its extensive lounge access and credits. Then, switch to your Gold Card for all supermarket and restaurant spending, earning 4 points per dollar in those categories. By pooling your membership rewards points, you unlock greater flexibility and value for redemptions, potentially earning hundreds of thousands of points annually. This strategy ensures you're always earning top-tier rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.